students. Hope you all are well at your place and doing great. I hope you are doing your homework also. So, firstly, welcome back to our EVS class. Is our password of the day is sense. Our password of the day is sense. I gave you this word which is related to our new chapter, that is sense organs, and Monday's password was organs. So hope you all know the meaning of organs. Now I am telling you the meaning of sense. सेंस मीन्स टू फील समथिंग फ्रॉम आवर सराउंडिंग्स, हमारे आसपास की चीज़ों को फील करना, दैट इज सेंस. एंड ऑर्गन्स मीन्स part of our body that perform a specific function. Okay, so in the previous session, as we have completed our chapter number 5 with a worksheet also, right? So in today's session we are starting our new chapter, that is lesson number 6, sense organs. I will tell you about the sense organs and then I will tell you about the 2 organs of our body. So let's start the class. First question is, what is sense organs? Sense organs होते क्या हैं? Again I am telling you. So today we are going to learn about our sense organs. Our body can do 100 of different jobs. Our body can do 100 of different jobs and it has many parts. बहुत सारे parts होते हैं. Those parts are called organs. Those parts are called organs which perform functions. कोई भी काम कर रहे हैं हमारे बॉडी के पार्ट, these all are organs. Okay, so our body is made up of bones and muscles. हमारी बॉडी किससे बनी हुई है? bones and muscles से. So it was about the organs. Now what is sense organ? Collectively, what is the meaning of sense organs? Sense organs, firstly, sense is feel something from our surroundings, and organs are the part of our body that perform specific function, जो कोई function को कर रहे हैं, like कोई भी काम कर रहे हैं. Now so we can say that sense organs are the organs through which we get to know about our surroundings. These are the organs through which we get to know about our surroundings, जिससे हमें अपने आसपास की चीज़ों के बारे में पता चलता है, तो वो होते हैं sense organs. Yes, so I am telling you firstly about our body. So look here, our body have many parts. These all parts are the organs. Like, excuse me for the drawing, I am making it but I am not perfect in drawing. So and this and this. I am just making it to show you the parts of our body. Okay, so this we made arm, and this is just hands, and then this is of stomach part, and these are the legs, and it is foot. Okay, so we have done it. Now I will tell you one by one about every part. Our body is made up of many parts. First is, this is eyebrows, eye, these are ears, nose, lips, chin, arm, hands. Okay, and again here stomach, this is chest, this is stomach, this we are showing knees, legs and foot. Understand? So there were these parts like mouth. We are writing it as a mouth, not lips. I'm telling you the reason. So, and one is skin. Skin is the part of our body. Now, out of these, we have 5 parts that make us to feel world around us. जिसकी वजह से हम अपने वर्ल्ड को देख सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं, हम आसपास की चीजों को फील कर सकते हैं. So these are eye, ears, nose, in mouth there is tongue, 4th part, and then 5th is skin. These 5 are sense organs. What do we call them? We call them is sense organs. What do we call them is? We call them sense organs. So our body has 5 sense organs. Our body has 5 sense organs. The first organ is eyes, ears, nose, and then 4th is tongue, and then 5th is skin. These are the 5 sense organs of our body. Understand? Now, I will tell you about the senses. I will tell you about the senses. Yes. Sense means feel something from our surrounding. Sense, there are 5 senses, 5 sense organs, and we have again 5 senses. First is sense of sight. Second is sense of hearing. Then third is sense of smell, sense of taste, and then 5th is sense of touch. These are the 5 senses: sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell, sense of taste, and sense of touch. Okay, so for sense of sight, we use eyes. For sense of sight, we use eyes. For sense of hearing, we use ears. For sense of smell, we use nose. For sense of taste, we use tongue. And for sense of touch, we use skin. ओके तो कोई भी चीज टच होती है तो किससे पता चलता है? हमारी स्किन से. कुछ देखना है किससे देखते हैं? हम अपनी आईज से. स्मेल, नोज, टेस्ट, टंग, हियरिंग, ईयर्स. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दीज आर द 5 सेंसेस: sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell, sense of taste, and sense of touch. Now do you know sense of smell is connected with the sense of taste. Do you know about it? Sense of smell is connected with the sense of touch. How it is possible that sense of smell is connected with the sense of touch? Yes, when we taste something, before that we smell it. When we taste something, before that we smell it. The senses of smell and taste senses of smell and taste combine at the back of the throat. हमारे throat के back पे जाकर combine हो जाती हैं दोनों senses. And then smell signal from nose and taste signal from tongue. Smell signal from nose and taste signal from tongue, and then flavor is proceed to the brain. Flavor is again proceed to the brain. Now, what is brain? What is brain? Main question is, what is brain? Brain is the only organ in our body that control all body activities. जो सारे body की activities को कौन control कर रहा है? The only one part of our body, that is brain. Brain is controlling every activity of our body. Like firstly, I'm telling you, these five sense organs, who is controlling it? Brain. Brain is controlling. Like अगर आप कुछ भी देख रहे हैं तो इंफॉर्मेशन सबसे पहले कहाँ जा रही है? ब्रेन के पास, तभी हम कुछ बोल सकते हैं कि हमने ये देखा. ईयर सुना है तो ब्रेन के पास, नोज कुछ स्मेल किया है तो भी ब्रेन के पास, टंग टेस्ट किया है तो भी ब्रेन के पास, स्किन कुछ टच हुआ है तो भी ब्रेन के पास. दिस इज द वर्क ऑफ ब्रेन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट about the each sense organ. Today we will do 2 sense organs. Okay, eyes and ears. I will tell you about the eyes and ears. So have a look on it, that what we are doing. So what is our password? Password is sense. Password is sense. How many types of senses are there? There are 5 types of senses. 5 senses are there in our body. So it was, first is sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell, sense of touch and sense of taste. These are the 5 senses. Okay, so we are starting with, we will learn about eye. Eye is the organ of sight. Eye is the organ of sight. Our eye is like a camera. Our eye is like a camera. किसकी तरह है हमारी eye? It's like a camera. It allows us to see, interpret the shapes, sizes and color of the objects. It allows us to see shapes, size and color of the object. Clear? So what is eye? Eye is a organ of sight. It is like a camera. It is allows to us to see, interpret shapes, size and color. Okay, so it helps us to see objects when light coming from outside. When light coming from outside and then it enters our eyes. Now I am making a diagram. आपको इससे बहुत अच्छे से समझ आएगा that what is the work of eye. किस तरह से हमारे तक कांटेक्ट आता है, हम कैसे देखते हैं. See, this is eye. This is eye. Here is sunlight. Okay. And here is a flower, just opposite of this. Here is I'm making a flower. So this is a flower. Okay, so अब हमारी आई इस फ्लावर को कैसे देखेगी? Firstly, the light falls on it. Sunlight falls on it. Okay. And our eye just goes on it and this light comes here. जो light यहाँ गई थी वो light यहाँ आई. Light comes here and then here a bubble make. अब हमारी जो brain तक कैसे information जा रही है? same flower हमारे brain के पास चला गया है. It means हमें पता चल गया कि हमने क्या देखा है. हमने आई से एक फ्लावर को देखा है और उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे ब्रेन तक चली गई है, इसलिए हमें पता चल जाता है ब्रेन तक जाते ही कि हमने क्या चीज़ देखी है. ओके, सो दिस वाज अबाउट द आई and now I will tell you about the working of the eye. Yes students, now we are starting a working of eye, that how eye works. अब हमारी वो eye work कैसे करती है, one by one, step by step I will tell you. First step is an object is in front of the eyes. अब हमारी eyes के सामने this object है. An object is just in front of the eyes. An image is formed inside the eyes. अब इसकी image मेरे eyes के अंदर बन गई है. इसकी इमेज मेरे आईज के अंदर बन गई है, मैंने अभी क्या चीज़ देखी है, आई सी ना डस्ट, और इसकी इमेज अब मेरे आईज में बन गई है। तो नर्व्स इन द आईज सेंड मैसेजेस टू द ब्रेन। अब हमारी आईज में एक ऐसी नर्व्स होती हैं, बिल्कुल पतली पतली लेयर्स होती हैं, वो मैसेज किसको देती हैं, ब्रेन को। आर आईज कनेक्टेड विद द ब्रेन, our nose connected with the brain, our ears connected with the brain, our tongue connected with the brain, and every part of our like connected with the brain. Sense organs are connected with the brain. So third is the nerves in the eyes. जो हमारी eyes में nerves है, they send messages to the brain. उन्होंने ब्रेन को मैसेज दिया। अभी मैंने किसकी पिक्चर देखी, इसकी पिक्चर देखी, हमने ये पिक्चर कैप्चर कर ली है अपनी आईज में, आईज ने क्या किया, ये मैसेज ब्रेन को दिया। Then the last step is brain reads messages. ब्रेन ने मैसेज रीड कर लिया, ब्रेन ने इस पिक्चर को देख लिया and enables us to see the objects, जिसकी वजह से हम ये ऑब्जेक्ट देख पा रहे हैं। Understand? So this is the working of eye. Now I will tell you how to take care of the eye. Eye का कैसे ध्यान रखना है? There are some do's and don'ts. Always sit up while reading or writing. बिल्कुल सीधे बैठे जब भी आप कुछ रीड कर रहे हैं, राइट कर रहे हैं। Lay down means लेट कर कभी नहीं देखना है, and just do not read while lying down and moving in a car and bus. It strains the eyes. Eyes पे strain पड़ेगा, जिसकी वजह से हमारी eyes weak हो जाएंगी. Keep the book 1 foot away from your eyes. थोड़ा सा हमारी बुक को हमसे दूर रखना है हमेशा. And do not watch televisions or read for a long time. ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए आपको टेलीविज़न नहीं देखना है, कंप्यूटर यूज़ नहीं करनी है ज़्यादा टाइम तक. Don't use so much mobile phone. If you are watching these videos on mobile phone, just try to watch it on your TV. Tell your parents to connect it with the bigger screen, or you can arrange a tab also. So आप इससे आपकी eyes पे strain नहीं पड़ेगा. And do not watch television for the long time. So sit at least 6 feet away from some screens. And do not read in dim or bright light. मतलब लाइट ऐसी होनी चाहिए मीडियम, जिससे आपकी आईज पे स्ट्रेन ना पड़े. एंड डू नॉट रब योर आईज. आपकी आईज को रब नहीं करना है इस तरह से, डर्टी हैंड से कभी भी रब नहीं करना है. जर्म्स कैन एंटर योर आई एंड काज इन्फेक्शन. अगर आपके हैंड डर्टी हैं, इट इज़ फुल ऑफ मड एंड समथिंग, सो आपके आईज में डर्ट चली जाएगी एंड देन इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा. डू नॉट रब योर आईज एंड वॉश योर आईज सेवरल टाइम्स विद क्लीन वाटर एवरी डे. 3-4 टाइम्स अपनी आईज को, अब जैसे नाउ डेज यू आर वॉशिंग योर हैंड्स डेली after 20 minutes, sanitizing your hands. Like this you have to take care of your eyes also. Clean your eyes, wash your eyes with the clean water after 3-4 hours daily, and wipe them with dry towel. And this was about the working of eye, and I hope this is enough for today. We will talk about ears and other organs in the next session. And that is all for today. And I am giving you homework now. What is your homework of the day? Homework of the day is you have to learn. Today I am giving you very little homework just because you have to do this reading also. So read chapter number 6 complete. You have to read. We have done 1 page, but you guys have to read full chapter so that अगर हम आगे समझना चाहते हैं तो पहले से एक बार read हुआ होगा. It will be easy to understand the things. So read chapter 6 sense organs and learn lesson number 1, lesson number 3, keywords only. Okay, you have to learn lesson number 1 and lesson number 3 keywords, and you should have know the meaning also. आपको हर कीवर्ड का मतलब पता होना चाहिए. If you are having any confusion, you can call me and you can ask anything from me about these keywords and about this chapter also. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye. We'll meet you soon.